I'm sure we are familiar with this tool. If not, it is a gun. I mean a glue gun. It is a handheld electric tool that melts and applies glue sticks. Hot glue guns are very versatile and they are particularly stable for domestic use. I'm going to show us how to use this hot glue gun. It has a power switch on and off. It has a glue stick port where you insert the glue stick. So this is what the glue stick looks like. It's either transparent or has a cream or yellowish color. It comes in different sizes. This is more like a medium size, and the size of your gun determines the size of the glue stick you're going to use and vice versa. So to insert the glue stick is going to come from behind like this, and it's going to pass through the port to another port that leads to the nozzle here, and this will only work when you press the trigger button, okay? And the trigger button can only work after which you have connected it to a power supply, then you turn it on. All right, it also has this safety holder which is going to be a support for your glue gun when in use. Connect your glue gun, then you turn on the switch button. So turning on the switch button, it has an indicator. Power indicator here is going to turn on green depending on the type of glue gun you have. Yours might be red, it can also be green. Then this nozzle here, until the nozzle gets hot before the glue can be melted and can be used. So do not place your nozzle like this or like this. It is really dangerous. Do not place. So here we have this. Here we have this safety holder. I'm sure some of you might be familiar with this. So this safety holder is meant for you to use to hold your glue gun in place. So this holder we have here, we have it on both sides, as you can see. So that is where you are going to insert this holder. It is flexible. You can open it up, then you insert it into the holes by the two sides. So, and as you can see, it can be moved. It is mobile, it is movable. So you are going to place that on your slab. You need to get a wooden slab like this that you're going to be placing it. And once the nozzle gets hot, it will automatically melt the glue. And as you can see, you press the trigger and the glue is going to come out. Okay, it is going to be hot, so do not, make sure that you do not put your hand, and as you keep using it, the stick is going to melt, and then till you exhaust. As you keep using it, the stick is going to continue to melt till you exhaust the glue. Okay, so I'm going to practicalize how to make use of this and by the time it gets cold, it will become thick. Turn off the glue gun when not in use for safety purpose. So I'm going to practicalize with this piece of fabric and this pearl that I have here. So to apply your glue gun, you are going to be applying to the wrong side of your pearl, your stones, appliques, or whatsoever you want to use the glue gun for. But mind you, the glue gun is not suitable for all type of appliques and all type of pearl or whatever you want to attach to your fabric. So you need to watch out. So you apply to the wrong side like this, and you place it exactly where you want it to be. So, and once it get cold, it become hard. Although this is not permanent, it can fall off later depending on how you do it. Okay, so I'm going to do one more. So you apply to the wrong side like this a little bit, depending. You don't want it to be too much. You apply like this and you place it wherever you want to place it. Okay, and with this, and that's how you are going to use your glue gun to apply your clips. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Till meet in my, that'll be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Till meet again in my next one. Bye bye.